afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How can I help you?
The princess wants to see you at the hotel now.
Princess?
She wants you to come with us now and do not say no.
Sorry, this is my business premises. Did you forget? This is where I make money. You don't expect me to follow you, leaving my business behind. That's not possible.
You don't want to know what will happen to you, do you?
Excuse me? Sorry, what if I say no?
Oga, are you following us or not? Don't allow us to bundle you.
Are you screaming at me? Are you stupid? What's wrong with you?
Oga, don't get me angry.
Sir?
You heard him.
As a move.
Look at this man, oh. Come, let's bundle him.
Bundle who?
Oga, move.
If you come close to me, I'll give you a dirty slap.
Are you scared of this man? Come, let's go. Let's get this man out of here now. Oga, move. Don't allow me to cut off your 2 legs.
Cut off my 2 legs.
Oh yes. You want to
Somebody help my baby! Somebody help me! My baby! Somebody help me!
I will follow you along.
I won't beg somebody help me! My baby! My baby! Mama, please! Sister, please! Sister, please! Mama, please! Mama, sister, please!
Mama, put the leg beside fire, yes!
My baby!
Shut up, Mama!
I will tell you. If you forget, you went to bed for clothes. You went to bed for clothes.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
I asked you to bring a local guy to me. A POS guy. What did you tell him?
That's what you did to my princess. But he refused.
Did you tell him that the princess of this kingdom is calling him?
Yes, my princess. We made it known to him.
This is not possible. It's impossible.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Excuse me.
Yes, indeed. My niece and you may be betrothed when you were both kids.
That's very correct.
Thanks be to God that both of you are about to be queen and king. Prince Ezechiel, one more thing. If in any way my niece cries out, cry for something she does not like, that may be normal to you. If she cries out, I will not support you. Yes. You see, I don't play with her emotions. I don't at all.
If I can recall, the last time we talked, I promised to make a good king and a good husband, right?
Yes, my prince.
Good. So tell me, why are you talking about this? Why do you make me believe that you left your kingdom to come tell me how to run my home? I respect you because you're a noble man of your kingdom. But I tell you what, don't let this happen again. Do not anger me. Don't. Excuse me.
My pretty damsel.
Yes, ma'am.
The pride of her father.
Thank you, ma'am.
You said you and the prince are going out?
Yes, he did invite me to the palace.
And you're dressed already?
Well, just some few touches here and there.
Looking pretty as usual.
Oh, thank you, Mom.
By the way, where is your father? Because I did not see him in the palace.
Oh, I saw him not so long ago, but sincerely, I don't know where he's headed.
It's all right. I will be in my room.
It's all right, Mother.
Please do notify me before you leave, okay?
Of course I will.
Okay.
Oh, greetings, my princess. You're welcome. Please just get me my shoes. Okay, my princess.
You said your son will be proposing to my daughter today.
Yes, that's what I said. It is still a secret.
It is still a secret.
Mm-hmm.
In that case, I have known all your secret. Well, but you ought to be there.
Yes, I will. I will.
Well, you must be careful. Yes, with your friend. I know what I'm talking about.
Well, we've been on this for ages. What is there to be careful about?
Well, okay, why is my daughter Amanda?
I have told you to stop calling her your daughter, Dennis. Please.
No. Amanda is my daughter. In fact, I actually need to see her to ask why she has not been entertaining suitors of late.
Suitors will come at their time. Let her be, please.
It's all right. You should be getting dressed now. You should be getting dressed.
Man, when you've scattered my bones, all my bones is scattered. How do you want me to live now? How?
Well, it was just a brief meeting now. All right. In that case, don't call me in a very, very long time because I don't want to die before my time.
Okay. I will not call you. No problem.
You will not call me?
No. I won't call you.
The old car that I know, you will not call me.
I will not call you. Look at it. Let's bet it. I won't call you. In fact, if I bring out my phone to call you, I will drop it. Okay. I will not call you.
Let me prove to you that you're just jiving.
I will not call you.
Wait.
Princess, why are you looking at me like that? Okay, the truth is, I can't follow you to a hotel. I'm sorry, I can't. It's not like I have anything in mind though, or I'm saying you're going to do something to me. No. All I'm saying is, I can't leave my business premises. If I do that, I'm going to lose all my customers to other people. And I don't want that to happen. So please, just pardon. Just pardon me, please. Thank you.
Are you aware you are standing before the princess of this very kingdom?
I know now. Princess, I know you now.
You just slapped me in the face, Onyeka, whatever you are called.
I slapped you when? I didn't slap you.
Do you know I have the right and power to stop you from doing this very business in this kingdom?
Now, princess, it hasn't got into that now. It hasn't got into, you're not that mean. Listen, I'm not trying to disobey you. Okay? All I'm saying is, I can't leave my business premises, to go and enjoy in a hotel. Because my customers will leave me. They will go to other people. And I don't want that to happen. This is the only business I have. Pico. Please, I'm sorry.
I shall let today slide for you to do your business.
Thank you very much. Thank
but
you.
Then, I have my eyes on you.
You have your eyes on me? She's watching me. Okay. Oh.
She's watching me.
All these rich men children.
Honestly, Ma, I've tried it over 5 times. It keeps bouncing back. It's network or something, I don't know. I'll keep trying it, I promise. I'll do it for you, my dear. Bye. I'd like to drive myself today. You can stay back, okay? You as well will go, okay?
I'm a driver, my princess.
I know. The car keys. Tell my father I said so. Thank you.
Okay, my princess.
So tell me, why are you looking like that?
Nothing, my prince.
You definitely cannot tell me that. I know you know yourself, so talk to me. What's the problem? You see, Ogechi, let me tell you, no matter, despite the number of girls I sleep with, I see myself coming back to you. I don't know why, but I think it's because of the sweetness of your honey pot. That's the sweetness I get whenever I am down there with you. You won't understand, I know, but I'm just telling you. So, even if I sleep with, call it 101 girls today, I will still come back to you because the style you give to me and how sweet it is something different.
I want to quit my job, my prince.
Why?
This constant fornication you and I are doing in this palace is killing me. I will soon get married to the princess and she will stay in this palace. One day we might be caught in the act and the princess will not be cool with it, my prince.
Hey, Ogechi, listen. I am the prince of this land and the king to be. No one others me around. So I have the right to sleep with as many girls as I want. I also have the right to get married to as many as I want. So what are you saying? Listen, I want you right by my side. Okay? Seeing you all the time arose my stuff, you know what I mean? Even as I speak right now, it's jacking up. You can feel it if you want. Just feel it. And just see it's going down.
Mm-hmm. Is it not you that said I should go out, I should go to my mother's house and stay? I'm disrespecting you. I'm nagging. So why are you calling me? You want to check up on me? I'm fine. Mm-hmm. Why are you calling me now? You just want to check up on me. Anyway, I'm in my father's house. And my mother is feeding me well. I'm eating very well. Yes. When I'm coming back. I don't know when I'm coming back. Or in fact, I don't intend coming back anytime soon. Yes. Yes, I want to put to bed here. I have just 2 months to go. Your car? I'm not with your car, Oga. Yes. I'm giving you space now. So you continue chasing girls up and down. Since it's everything on scale that you want to put your bola inside. You think I don't know? Useless man. Or some work is taking all my time.
Please, you are disturbing me, Abel. I'm eating. Can continue whatever you are doing, but make sure I don't catch you with that girl. Because she will, like, before you notice, she will be dead. I'm telling you. I don't know. Oh, I'll take out of my phone because know that you have small change now. Who would have married yourself?
The water and the clothes.
Okay. Go inside, I have clothes. Go and bring my clothes and wash.
Oh, sister, I'm hungry. I've not eaten. I'm tired.
You've not eaten, eh?
Sister, tell Mama to give me food now. At least for the baby's
Mama,
sake.
is it your mama? My friend. If I go inside, go and pick the clothes. And listen to me. Wash it very well. Wash the armpits, the neck, the round. Wash everything neat.
It's not fair.
My friend, live here.
It's not fair.
I said you should live here.
I'm your sister. It's not fair.
Who is your sister?
I've been waiting for God to answer
Okay, forever.
me.
Please be fast, though.
Maka, what's funny?
Please just give me the 20,000 naira.
Why are you laughing? I don't understand. What do you mean?
I don't understand too. How you mean the princess of our kingdom is inviting you to a hotel?
Yes.
How?
How?
Poor man like you.
Poor man like me?
Yes.
I'm not a poor man, no.
Is she blind?
What do you mean if she's blind?
Please just give me
Listen, I'm not a poor man, no. Oh, you think because I run this business? I'm running a financial institution. If you don't know now.
Institute.
Because I'm here with you.
I'm managing you.
Do you know how much I transact in a day?
Oh.
Poor
mercy
man
on me.
like you. Poor man like you. You think
Yeah,
I'm poor?
poor man. I'm just managing you.
You said you came to see or to take something.
My father.
You came to take your father?
Eh?
You said you came to do what?
Are you okay? I said I came to see my father.
Okay, you came to see your father.
Something is wrong with you.
Oh. Then you go back.
I'll come back.
When are you going back?
As soon as I see him, I will just go back because I have tests tomorrow and I don't want to stay in this village.
Okay, that's fine. I've missed you. Do you know?
Missa.
But I hope you've been reading your books.
I've been reading POS. You want me to fail, Abi?
How can I want you to fail?
But that's what you want.
Did I say that? God forbid.
Hey, forbid it. You like stressing me. You are stressing issues too much.
Will you come to the house before you go back to school?
Stop.
Huh?
Come out of my car. That's all you want.
What is it?
So that if I come, you cry again.
Cry?
Yes.
What do you mean cry?
You don't know? Because anytime I give you, you cry.
Stop this thing now. Stop saying this thing before people will think it is true.
Let them hear because it's true.
Stop saying this thing now.
Apart from POS and that's what you do. That's
How?
your second hobby. You like to cry like a baby. It's bad for a man.
No, you need to stop this thing.
A person cry like a woman. Be a man.
Amaka, this is not a joke. It's no longer a joke. Stop it.
Am I joking?
No, what do you mean I used to cry?
You cry.
Cry when?
Akwango. You cry so much.
My prince.
Go and tell Okunta the town crier that I said he should go round the village and announce to everyone that I said that all businesses, markets, shops should be shut down. That I have something very important doing at the palace today. Tell him that I said that the prince is proposing to his betrothed, the queen-to-be of this land. And anyone who flaunts this order will be decisively dealt with. Do you understand?
Yes, my prince.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
I know you. Yes. Sorry. I've seen you before.
Me?
Yes, I know you.
No, I don't know you.
2 years ago, when I was a serving corper, you rescued me from some hoodlums.
Me? No, it's not me.
My car broke down. You even called a mechanic to help me fix it. You mean you don't recognize me
I
at
don't
all?
remember. It's not me. Sorry. You're probably mistaking me for someone else. Please. You want cash or transfer?
Cash, yes. Okay. 100,000 naira.
Savings or current account?
Current.
Current. Please, your PIN. I added the charges.
It's fine.
It's 5,000 naira.
It's okay. You mean to say you don't even recall?
Madam, I don't remember you. Sorry.
It's okay.
There are so many light-skinned people.
Mom, no, I've just been standing here. It's not much, it's just dropping a little. Mom, I don't know what else to do. There's no one here. I'm alone. I don't know. Mom, I'm feeling frustrated and you're adding to it. I'll look around. Oh, it's like there's someone coming. I'll just call you right back. Good day. Good day. Sorry, please. Do you know me expect someone to just help me fix my car? Please. Yeah? The car has been having I don't know if it's here or...
Give me phone. Give me! Now, enter motor. Carry any 3D bag. Come on. Do fast! You don't go. Do fast. Do fast. Do fast. Come on. You in here?
Ebuka, what are you doing here? Are you okay?
She did fine.
No, I'm not okay. I'm not okay. Not okay. He just robbed me. He robbed me. Yes, no, my phone, my bag. He robbed me.
This boy robbed you. Hey!
He has a gun.
Ebuka, come here. Jesus Christ. Ebuka, is this what you have been doing in Sierra Leone? Eh? You said he took your phone.
My phone.
Where's
and
the phone?
My bag.
My friend, come here. Where's the phone? Where's the phone? Hey! Bring it out!
Yes.
Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Hey! Ebuka, so this is what you have been doing? Going around robbing young girls, stealing their phones. Take. Huh? Ebuka, take the phone and go.
You sure?
Yes, take it. Take it.
Oh, big bro.
Come on, give me that phone, you idiot, stupid boy. Fool. Have you forgotten I know your house? Eh? Have you forgotten I know your father, I know your mother, I know your brothers, I know your sisters? Have you forgotten I am from this village? This is my maternal home.
I will collect slap for this guy also now. Also.
Leave here. Come on, get
now
out of here.
Also, now.
Stupid. Take.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you.
Did he touch your breast?
Oh, no. No, God forbid. I only just stopped him and...
God forbid. But you were shaking like a fowl now.
Well, thank you for saving me. Thank you.
But I had stopped him because I needed help with the car. I've just been standing here all the while. The car refused to move. So when I saw him coming, I was grateful to at least see someone who can help me. But he turned out to be...
So your car is faulty?
Yes.
And there's a mechanic at the junction there, down there. So, should I call one for you?
Help me.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Thank you.
Stay here. Or enter your car and lock the door.
No, I would rather go with you. Can I just lock the car?
You go with me?
Yes.
Oh, I know. Hey! So Ebuka is a thief. Ebuka, your father sent you to Sierra Leone. You went there to steal.
Please give me your account number so I can transfer some money to you. You really helped and saved my life. Thank you. At least you say thank you for saving my life.
No. I didn't help you for you to give me money. I don't want your money.
I know you didn't, but I insist on sending you something. Just to say thank you.
Don't worry.
Okay. Better yet, give me your number so I can call you. And if you need anything, you can also reach out to me. Be it a job or anything I can help with, I'll definitely do it. I promise.
Okay. No problem. You say you're a princess?
Yes, that I am.
Okay. No problem. I'll give you my number now so you can call me.
Okay.
Let me put the second one. If you call this number, in case you call this first one, it doesn't go through, you can call the second one.
It's alright.
Yes, this first one goes off at 8 p.m. But this second one is always on.
Okay. Please, I will definitely call you.
No problem. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Alright, bye.
You know your way out?
Yes.
Drive straight, then you turn left.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Be careful.
Of course, thank you.
Greetings, ma'am. Please excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Please, come closer a bit. Mommy, come closer. Ma, there's this person I'm looking for. He's not too tall in height, but a bit taller than me. His face is light-skinned, probably lighter than me a bit. He has a well-rounded face, a little beard. I don't know. He's stoic. Basically, he's just... Do you by chance know anyone like that, or have you seen anyone like that?
If I may ask you, what did the person do for a living? I mean, what is his occupation? The person you are looking for.
Oh my God. Honestly, I have no idea.
If I know the person, I will tell you. I don't know.
It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you, my princess.
Thank you.
Such people might be messengers from your chi, your guardian angels. They can always show up when you are in trouble.
But Mom, I just can't seem to phantom it.
Cindy, I said you might not find him again. He will only show up when you are in precarious moments. Or even the gods might send another set of people to help you.
Mother, my only wish is to see him one last time. If at all I will ever see him again.
My daughter, you'll be traveling to Canada for your masters. And that should be your focus for now.
Where have you been? I've been searching all over for you ever since we met.
I feel the same way. And I'm really sorry I've stressed you out.
I feel heartbroken. Because now that I've found you, I have to go to Canada to further my studies. It hurts because the time is so short.
What about him? The prince?
You know, you just kissed me.
Yes, I know.
So why did you kiss me?
I was hoping to take your attention from thinking too much.
Well, you're mistaken because now you've made it worse. Because I can't stop thinking about you. Tell me, what can we do to spoil my betrothal to the prince? Talk to me. You are handsome. Really cute. Talk to me, please. I need to hear your voice.
Onyeka! Yes! That's him! It's maternal home is in Udi community. Yes, that's him. He's not any messenger from my Chi. He's not even a ghost. Yes. That's him. That's his name. Oh my God, that's him. Yes. He's not a ghost. He's not even a messenger from my Chi. Oh, he's human. He's flesh and blood. Oh my God.
Ada? Stay here. I want to rush to the bank and get some money. Don't go anywhere. Take care of my shop. Oh.
I've heard you now.
Eh?
I've heard you now.
The question is, why are you so lazy? You're my sister, but you don't do anything for me. You don't support me in any way. Eh? Why? All you know is food.
But why are you stressing me now? You said stay here. I said oh. You said take care of my business. I said oh. Go to the bank or they will soon close.
Okay,
bank.
so I'm stressing you now.
No, before.
So I'm stressing you. You see, that's why you failed your WAEC. That's why you failed your WAEC. Fail this one again. Fail this one again if you will not see yourself in Lagos washing plates.
I like Lagos, so it's better I go to Lagos than staying here. You'll be stressing me all the time.
Eh?
I'll see Jojo.
Who is Jojo? If you call that name again, I'll use this chair on your head.
That close oh. Come and close oh. They say you should close oh. Close oh. Good afternoon.
Good day. Where's Onyeka?
My brother.
Oh, your brother. Interesting. Is your maternal home Udi community?
Yes, my princess. Are you from Udi?
No, not at all. Please, can you give me your brother's number?
My princess, I will not give you. I don't know your intentions.
Understandable. But hold on. Okay, so, please give me yours, so I can call you.
My princess, I cannot give you my own. If it's your fair transaction, he has gone to the bank to do it. Don't worry.
No, it's nothing of that. I promise, it's not related to money. I just want to talk to your brother, but since you don't want to give me his, give me yours, then I can call you, then talk to him. That way, you know, I'm not trying to do something stupid. Thank you. Thank you. I'll call you.
I want you to be my queen. I want you to rule this prestigious kingdom with me. Be the mother of my unborn children. Please.
You idiot. Stupid bastard. I don't love you. I don't love you one bit. You can go to hell with your food, with everything you have. You ain't fit to be my partner or my king. I will never, ever be your queen. I don't care. Damn this bitch.
Chase him then! Chase him then!
I brought shame and reproach to my loins. Chisindere, from this day onward, you cease to be a member of my family.
My lord.
And I erase you completely from my name and from my lineage.
This is too harsh.
I hereby banish you from my kingdom. Your Highness. God! Seize my brother. Yeah?
No, you can't do that to him. He had no hand in this. I decided my own fate. Don't do this.
God!
Yes, Highness.
Take him to the mountain of Uza Kingdom. Kill him.
No!
My lord.
Igwe, no! Remember, I'm your brother. I'm your blood. You are only brother for that matter. You cannot do that to me.
Move.
You cannot.
Move.
Move. Also. Move. Igwe. Move. Igwe.
No! No! No!
I have to protect your father.
Let him be! Let him be!
I want you to be my queen. I want you to rule this prestigious kingdom with me. Be the mother of my unborn children.
Just say yes.
Say yes, beautiful one.
Yes. Oh my God.
Oh.
I'm happy, bro.
All right, mother, let's call for celebration. Let's go out.
Yes! Why you dey vomit? Wetin happen? You know when?
I don't know. I'm feeling dizzy and weak.
Oh, ha! Palace cook dey vomit. Ha! Hey.
What is it? Can't you mind your business?
Oh. Make I mind my business. Now the business with the mind, so. Hey. Ogechi, Chama. Hey, Ogechi, don't take it something. Po. They don't pour inside. Hey, wait oh. The prince they won't settle down. Ogechi don't get belly. No, it's not clear. It's not clear. Who they call me so? Sandra. What's happen? Hello? Sandra, what's happen? My friend, relax. The prince they come. Relax. You get test tomorrow. See, you know say you get test tomorrow. Now you come to knock the prince of my kingdom today. Eh? See, na royal room I put you. Relax for there. They enjoy AC first. The prince they come. Yeah, get. Say, get test. You get test, now you know they read. Now be say, if you knock finish this night, you can write what you and prince do for the test. Nah, then lecturer can fail you. Say lecturer na wicked man.
Ogechi, we never conclude this your matter.
That your stepmother is very wicked though. What kind of a stepmother would be so hostile on you like this? Considering your condition. Come and stay with us so it'll be better for you and your baby.
No, Adeze, I can't. Yeah? I can't. See, I understand you're in pain. I understand you feel for me. But I'm used to them. I'm used to my stepmother and my stepsister. Oh, don't worry. I'll be fine.
You're used to suffering. What if she kills you?
No, she can't. She can't kill me. I know she's hostile, but she can't kill me. Trust me.
Okay. Well, keep your vegetable here. You will sell it. Don't bother hawking it. So tell me, what do you want to eat?
You're such a nice lady. Just like your brother.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Anything?
What's anything? All the pregnant women I know in this village, they ask them, they will say they want potato frying plantain. Or they will say they want lion hen. So which one do you want?
Potato. And chicken pie.
So what do you
Get
want?
me anything, my friend.
Okay, well, let me go and buy you anything you ask for. Eat anything I buy you.
Okay.
Yeah, look after my son, I'm coming.
Alright. I'm waiting. Coming.
Welcome. I won't buy vegetables.
Vegetables.
Okay. How much are you selling one?
500 naira.
Okay, I will buy one. I'll take this one.
You don't need more.
No, this one.
Thank you.
Alright, see you next
Come back
time.
again.
Okay.
Thank you. Please. Not yet.
What?
Not yet.
What if I may ask? You've accepted to be my queen, and is there any problem deflowering you?
Well, my prince, I accepted to be your queen. I am not yet your queen.
Well, they're the same thing. There's no difference.
Not exactly. They're not.
Damn it. Well, it's fine. It's fine. But I want you to know that I love you. I love you so very much.
I know.
And I can kill for you. You know that or so? Kid. You're so beautiful. You're beautiful to the extent that you shine like the sky.
Thank you.
Well, I think we need to go back to the party.
Perfect.
Right. Right up to you. Up to you.
Hello, Onyeka. Alpha. Sorry I did not call you yesterday because I was running late. Alpha now, have you done the transfer?
I've sent it now.
I've not seen alert. I have not seen any alert. Oh, so you want me to miss my practicals? Is that what you're trying to do? Please send me the money. By the way, why is it hard for you to just send me ordinary
20,000 naira. Just come on, 20,000 naira. You cannot send. Later you say you are my boyfriend. I should be happy. Please send it though. I'm not laughing no. My sub too. You've not sent money for my sub. If I say you should send 10,000 naira now, you cannot send. Please just send the one you can. If it's 2,000, 5,000, just send. Let me manage it. I'm waiting. 20,000 sub. Thank you.
Okay, I love you.
I'm waiting. 20,000 sub. Thank you.
Amaka, I just said I love you.
Bye.
Two back.
She ended the call.
Oh, baby. Who was that?
My elder brother.
For real?
Yes.
I've been with you when you spoke to your other brother. You talked to him with so much respect and fear. Come on.
Only when I am wrong. But when I'm in school, baby, come on. That's nothing. It's nothing.
Oh. See, it's been days now you're out of school and lectures are ongoing. It's not right.
Baby, I know, but I've sorted everything. I trust me, I am not going to fail any exams, okay? I've missed my baby.
Wait. Let me tell you. Your purpose of being in this state is because of your education. Your parents spend so much money in funding your education because they want you to be successful. I personally want you to be successful. This is not right. I'm not comfortable with it.
Baby, stop. Baby, I know you want everything good for me. But, baby, are you chasing me out?
I don't mean that.
But, baby, I missed you. I've missed you so much, baby. I've missed you.
Wow. My fellow queen. This is a good news. And my daughter did not even call to notify me. Congratulations to them. Yes. He's here with me. Our daughter was engaged by the prince yesterday.
Great.
Yes. His Majesty is here with me. Wow, I'm very happy. We are very happy. Congratulations to them. That's a good one. They are together, right? Wow. It's all right. Let me give to him. My Lord, I will be right back.
The strong woman. The iron lady of our time. Congratulations to us. Of course, we are ready for the wedding. Trust me. You know what I can do. Of course. How is it now? No, let's meet like tomorrow evening now.
Of course, I will be available for you, my darling. Remember, we are not getting younger.
Is it my fault? I'm missing you already. And you know the impact of your voice, it changes and reset everything about me. Honey, here and there.
Don't stop handling me that rough way. I don't know you're an old man.
Yeah. You're a bad girl. So is he at you?
Yes, I'm coming. Definitely, I'll be there.
Fine. Now clap for yourself.
I love you. Can't wait. Oh my God.
You sent for me, my friend.
Yes, Ogechi. I need you to prepare nsala soup with an oatmeal for me, okay?
Yes,
Be
my
fast
friend.
about it.
Yes, my friend.
Alright. Come back here. What is wrong with you? Why are you this off today? Are you okay?
I'm fine, my friend.
Are you sure, Ogechi?
Yes, my friend.
Ogechi, don't tell me you are pregnant, just like that other stupid maid. What is her name? Isioma.
The one that got pregnant for my personal guard. Are you sure you're not pregnant?
No, my queen. I'm not pregnant.
Better not be. Please go and prepare the meal for me.
Yes.
Amaka, let me explain to you. See, the network is bad, but I'm going to my uncle's place to try it again. Eh? I'm saying the truth, I'm not lying to you. The network is bad. I've been trying to send the... Yes. Yes.
How dare you? How dare you lie to me? You are Onyeka. Your maternal home is Udi. Why did you lie to me? Must you lie? Do you know how long I searched for you? I searched the nook and cranny of that very kingdom. Why? Why would you lie to me? Lying hurts. It hurts a lot. Yeah, I am. Extending an arm of friendship. And what do? You reject it. Today, I want you to make a choice. Do you want me to stay? The choice is yours. But you have to make it already.
Never look down on people. You are better off. Never you think you are all and all. Don't be the source of people's pain. This life is deeper than ocean. Nobody can predict tomorrow. Our destiny and difference. Never look down on anyone.
Hello? Brother. Ha! Brother, calm down. Why are you shouting now? I did not give her your number. I gave her my own. She was the one that chatted me on WhatsApp. Every time you be shouting at me. Brother, she let me talk now. She was the one that chatted me on WhatsApp. She now say she's your friend. She came there, she said she's your friend. I gave her the house address because she said she's your friend. And she mentioned our maternal village now. That's why. And she was telling me, but that she convinced me now. She was not sounding like she want to kiss somebody now. That's why I gave her the number now. And it's not even your own that I gave her, it's my own. So why are you not shouting at me? I went to buy food. I'm hungry. I've sent it to. She said she did not see it. And it's your POS fault now. It's not my fault. That's why I said you should do it with your phone. No, you now say I should come and use your POS now. You know that it's very slow. God forbid me, I'm not slow. Ha. But after this thing that you do for this girl and she did not marry you, me I'll pour acid though. Tell her that I'm Ojasi there more go. Let it not be that she's deceiving you. No problem, I've heard you now. No, I'm difficult problem.
saw in my dream. I got close to her and I was shot. Now she wants to come and kill me in real life. No way. I'm in a relationship with Chiamaka. And even if I was single, I cannot afford her. What is the meaning of this nonsense she dropped here now? I'm going to use it as firewood. I'll use it to cook. Nonsense.
Hey, Mr. Man, we are going with us now. Hey. Now!
Move.
Oh yeah. Move.
Wait. What are you trying to do?
Mr. Man. What? Move. Just.
All my life, as a princess of this kingdom, I've never felt this way. You despised me. You rejected me. You still live, move, and enjoy my kingdom. Yet, you made me look like a fool. Are you very much aware that I'm a princess? Are you very much aware that I'm a princess? Are you aware that men bow, begging to be with me? And here I am, throwing my royalty, prestige, pride, and dignity as a princess at your ugly feet. But what did you do? Decline. Make me look worthless. Say something, you fool. Am I not talking to a human being? I said say something!
Are you done? Can I go?
Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Don't you ever toy with my presence. Never, ever. We are spending the night here. It's an order. You can't be my spec, my kind of meal, and you make me go out all hunger for you. And you will trash me with you want to go. Am I not talking to you?
Can I tell you a story? My grandmother used to tell me that it doesn't matter if I'm the poorest man in this village. She says I know how to uphold my dignity, my respect, my pride. Even if you point a gun at my head, I'm not going to sleep with you. I'm wearing a blue pant. You're not going to see it. I'll rather die than have sex with you.
You rather what? I see. But I must say I feel defeated. But I can never be defeated by a commoner like you. Get out. And wait for the words. Get out. I said out! Get out.
Some guards, They came to the house and took your sister away.
Took my sister away? Why?
I don't know. I don't know.
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go.
Wait for me!
You see, my princess,
Uncle.
I understand your plight. Yes, because it is not good for one to be in a relationship where he or she is not happy. I think your head is playing plenty tricks to your mind.
Uncle, my unbending, rigid, and autocratic father ordered his guards to execute you.
Huh?
I mean, kill you.
My princess.
Uncle, he banished me. Separated me from his loins. That's not even a concern to me. It doesn't even bother me as much as you losing your life. The only reason I'm here is because I don't want you to die. I don't want my father to think that you have opinionated my declining the prince's proposal.
You see, your father, my elder brother, will not kill me. Yes, I know him before your mother came, even before you came to this world. So, do not do anything to save or protect me from dying. I'm an old man.
Then why are you forcing me to please my parents?
Because the gods are involved.
I don't love Ezechi.
I know.
Then the gods should also know. Uncle, while I know you're a noble man, I do not want to trade my happiness.
Inasmuch as I am the Onowu, I fear your father. He is the king. He has the final say. Yes, in 7 days, you shall be the queen of Umoko Kingdom. I want you to know that. So, just calm down. It is well. May the gods of our land guide and protect you.
Thank you, Uncle.
Good. Congratulations, my darling.
Thank you, Father.
Well, I understand deeply that you're not happy. Don't worry, my darling. With time, you'll be a happy queen. Okay?
Yes. Yes, Father.
I've sent words to Ezechi. Ezechi will love you. Yes, he will cherish you and protect you. He will adore you. So don't worry, okay? You go in there as a queen. I will not expect you to go monitoring his activities with other women. Because as a king, he has so much right concerning that. Okay? So I need you to be yourself, okay?
I'm aware of that, Father.
It's all right.
My beautiful angel. Oh. This ring is so beautiful.
Yes, it is.
And I know it must have cost a fortune.
Thank you, Mother. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The Queen Mother asked that I should come spend some time with them. So I'm just trying to pick up a few things so I could go there.
Oh, that is beautiful. No problem. Just call Chioma to help you do that, okay?
Okay, Mother.
It's all right. Take care.
Yes, Father.
Daddy loves you, okay?
Onyeka Ocha. Eh? Because if they call you Onyeka in Echo, Onyeka Ocha. See, you know when they look at you with your quiet face, they'll just think you're a very calm person. They don't know you. True to God, you're a terrorist. Eh? You're a terrorist. See, how can you open your POS business the same day that the prince is taking a wife? Eh? You see this your stubbornness. Eh? Now they came for you. They did not see you. They had to carry Adeze. Eh? Now I'm trying to figure out how we'll settle this matter. You are here again.
Are you done?
Hey.
Maduka. Maduka.
Onyeka.
Maduka.
Onyeka Ocha.
I'm here to see the queen. Leave the road.
You see? See, this your strong head, I believe it's not physical, it's spiritual. Somebody is using your strong head to affect you from somewhere. See, the queen is not around. She drove out before you came in.
Maduka.
Onyeka Ocha.
Don't insult me. Don't insult me because I'm not as useless as you are. Yes! If you're not a useless person, tell me what you're doing in this palace. What is your job in this palace? All you do is arrange women for the prince to sleep with.
Me?
Yes.
Useless?
Yes.
Hey! Man with uniform is useless. The CSO of this palace is useless. Even the letter CSO is thicker than that your POS. You say I'm useless? Okay, no problem. Let's bet. The next girl that the prince will knock is your girl. I will give the prince your girl and I will buy materials that he will use. See, I'll buy bagangba. I'll buy small cucumber. I will now tell him to drink cement so that his waist will cake. He will not come on time. You see it.
It is your girlfriend, Ujunwa. The prince will knock. Yes.
Mauju.
Your girlfriend.
Mauju.
Please,
Mauju.
I want to get out. I want to see the queen.
See, respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself.
See, I don't want trouble. Maduka, I'm respecting you because you're my cousin. Just leave the way. I want to see the queen.
The queen is not around now. Yeah, Onyeka Ocha, respect yourself. See, I will rough handle you. You know this your color now. Once they touch you, you red. Go back, oh. Go back.
Maduka,
go back, oh.
You see the way I'm looking at you?
Go back.
You see the way I'm looking at you? Do you know what I have in mind to do to you now? Do you know what I have in mind? Move away.
See, don't try me, oh. Don't try me, oh.
Okay, sorry. It's okay. It's okay now. It's okay. Come, let's have a peace talk.
Now you're talking.
Come, let's have a peace talk now. Come out.
Talk.
Come
I'm hearing you.
See.
My cousin, Onyeka Ocha. My friend, down.
My king, my prince, please. My brother has done nothing wrong. My prince, please don't flog my brother.
I can see you're very stubborn and you do not have respect at all. When a man that's poor does not have respect, it's very bad. Oboyinwe pride. Afomningwe pride. Guards!
No.
And flog him merciless.
My prince, please.
Give him a beating of his life.
Take him now.
Out of my sight!
What are you doing?
Madam, let's go.
Get out!
Out!
My prince, temper justice with mercy. I thought I said everyone should leave my side. What are the both of you still doing here?
Get out! Out! All fools! How dare you thwart my orders? Telling me to temper what with mercy?
What has come over you? Is this how you plan to rule your people? By disregarding and disrespecting the elders of your land? What was this offense? Tell me, what has it done?
This is just a tip of an iceberg.
Stop it. What has it done?
I can see that you're now taking my simplicity for a ride. How dare you interfere?
How dare you poke nose in my affairs? Listen, I will not take this next time. The next time you try this, you'll see the other side of me.
You are a prince and I'm a princess. You have no right. You have no right as a king.
It seems you have soft spots for stubborn people like Onyekashi, right? Come off it, my princess. He deserves the lashes.
What lashes are you talking about? What was his offense? Tell me. What has it done?
He heard the tank cry when he said that all stores should close for my brother to propose to you. But what did he do? He chose to be stubborn.
So what? Aren't you stubborn yourself? I said he won't flog you. Have you ever been flogged in your life? He's just a mere POS operator. Serving people, making his daily bread.
And so what? Is that why you're shouting?
I should shout! Because it seems you've all lost it in this palace. I bet when your father was alive, he wouldn't even do such. Please. You know what? I don't even know why I'm bothering myself with you.
In this kingdom, mind your business. Now mind your business, yo.
Madoka suspected you're pregnant. And I believe whatever Madoka says when it comes to women. So tell me. Speak!
Yes. Yes, I'm pregnant.
I see. She's pregnant. So tell me. Me and who is crueling you in this palace?
Just you.
Don't be stupid. I hate when people are being stupid. I ask again, me and who is digging you right in this palace?
Just you, my prince. I'm pregnant for you. Yes. The queen is already suspecting me already.
You know, you're the most foolish person I've ever seen in my whole life. Are you a child? Why would you just open your leg and take in like that? Listen, go and flush that thing you think you're carrying. Flush it.
I will not do such a thing.
What?
You heard me right. I would rather leave the palace in peace than to flush my unborn child. A royal blood.
She talked back at me. Yes. You talked back at me. Did you just talk back at me? No, I don't think you did that. Did you actually talk back at me? How dare you! Ogechi, just stand up. What have I done? What have I done? Ogechi. Okay, stand up. You can keep the baby. Just stand up. Stand up, you fool!
Bring her here. Hurry. Just after me.
In your next life, be careful with someone like me. Fool. Let's go.
Your garment is full of impurity. Your garment is soaked with blood. He thinks he's Alpha and the Omega. What he says stands.
Ndị bụ chi anyị ejikwa m ọfọ eji m ogu ihe a jirinu nsogbu a jirinu ọ bụ n'ala ka ọ ga-ada udo kakwa mma ndị chi anyị gbatakwara anyị ọgụ na udo kakwa mma ọ na-abụkwa ọgụ daa anaghị achọkwa ya mma onye furu ibe ọzọ gbuo tigbuo zọgbuo akwa ya bụ ọgụ mana anụcha ofocha agbakọtakwa na nchọ wee bie nya bụ ọgụ ndị nna nna ha nye anyị udo ewetakwana ihe ga-eri anyị unu ewetakwana ihe ga-eri anyị mana nye anyị ihe anyị ga na-eri ka ọ dịrị anyị mma maka anyị na-ekpe na ihe ọma ga na-emere anyị na-eke ọ bịakwa omee n'orie omee n'afọ ometọpụ na nkwọ ndị ebute ihe ọjọọ gakwa ezi gaa anyị n'azụ ka anyị na-aga n'ihu ha nọrọ n'azụ ha bịakwa n'anyị nso maka na o ruo n'emume mma agha ga-ese mma agha see isi onye ebere eburu ya nọta ọ bụrụ isi nwa amadi mana ọ dị mmanụ.
Are you here to help me or you're here to make my situation worse?
I'm helping you.
Just gradually do it now. Gently. Oh!
These people beat you. It's not me that beat you. God will punish that princess and the brother.
Do this thing and stop cussing out. Do.
What is it? No, you want to come and finish what you started? Oh yeah, come and kill him. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? You want to finish it? What do you want? You still want to come and beat him?
Who's that?
I don't even know. There's one princess like that.
Princess? Which princess?
He's asking you which princess. What is the name of your kingdom? Answer him.
I'm sorry.
We should eat your sorry. Will your sorry heal those pains? Those marks, will your sorry heal them?
Stop screaming, please. Who is that?
How is he? He's not fine. Look at him. Anyway, thank you for saving him.
Who is that? Answer me now.
It's me.
Who? What is your name?
That was how I got betrothed to him. It was meant to be a family friendship. But they invited the gods of both land into it. Now I'm meant to believe that it's sacred. And I'm being trapped into loving or becoming his queen.
I understand. I used to hear about the prince who had a princess betrothed to him. I never knew it was you until that day. And I apologize. I pretended not to know you.
It's okay. So are we friends?
No, I don't know about that.
Come on, we are friends. I know your fears, don't worry. I'm not going to let anything happen to you. Tell me, do you have a girlfriend? I know you have a girlfriend.
She's in school.
She must be one lucky girl. Sorry about the pains though.
Any seed you sow, that you must reap. Any measure you give to others, you must receive. Ignorance is never excuse.
Amoka, you kill me. What? You kill me in this house. No, this is getting out of hand. I'm tired.
Baby, why are you running as if I want to kill you?
Ah, baby, you are killing me. You are killing me already. See, Chiamaka, please. Chiamaka, please, you have to go back to school. At least stay like 1 week or 2. I will be coming to visit you. Pico.
Baby, I know I've sorted everything in school. Please, baby, I just want you. I can't stay without thinking about you, baby. I love you with all my heart. It's you that I think every time. Baby, why are you making me to cry for love again, please?
Because you just want me. I've gone once, twice, even up to 7 times. I'm tired now. See, Chiamaka, I don't understand. You are making this as if you are already married.
Baby, I know.
I want you to go back to school. I will be coming to visit you. See, oh my God.
Baby, I know you. Baby, I know you are going to marry me. I know that. That's why I wanted to. I wanted to make love to you. Baby, I want you.
What have I been doing?
Yes, I know.
Oh,
I want you to make me cry, baby. I want you to make me cry like a mother. Like, make me cry. Baby, do you love me?
I love you, but please now. I am tired.
Baby, please, come on. Love you so much.
Oh, God.
Let's
Oh,
go.
God.
Baby, let's go. It's you I want. I can't stay without you, baby. I can't stay without you.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Let us go.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Take the lead.
Okay, baby.
Hi.
Hey. Come on. I love you, baby.
No. I'm coming. Oh, God. Oh, God.
My coronation should be in 7 days.
And
7 days, I said.
And I said no. It shall not hold on that day.
Ezemo, why?
Yes, Ezemo, why? Tell us.
The gods said so. I am trying my possible best to commune with them. We need patience. We need time. And time we shall get.
Ezemo, you have no right. Tell the gods that I said you have no right whatsoever.
Ezechi.
You have no right.
Ezechi, calm down, okay?
Mother.
Calm down. Ezemo, why the sudden change of date?
My queen, I have been making sacrifices towards that. In 7 market days, I shall return to this palace with good news of the date, the exact date of the coronation.
Good.
Anutako Leze.
Ezemo, if the gods want a cow, tell us, we give the gods cow. Whatever the gods want, we should give to them. Ezechi, I do not have time.
Ezechi, relax. Relax. I'm on top of the matter.
Telling me the mother.
I said relax. That's why you have me as a mother.
Give them cow. If they want 5 cows, you give them 10.
No.
Yes, my queen.
You have to find out what is going on. And fast.
I'll do that.
The broken palace, the atrocity is excess.
Yes, mother, I had to chase her away from the palace. I had to ask her to leave. I drove her far away from here.
Is she pregnant for you?
Yes, she is. But you don't expect me to make her my queen, do you? She's just a cook.
I understand. But you should have discussed this with me before taking that decision. She's carrying your unborn child, for crying out loud.
Mother, you don't need to bother yourself over nothing. She's well settled. She's safe wherever she is. Okay? She's not my problem. Let's talk about something more important.
Her numbers are not going.
That's my greatest problem right now. I can't wait to have her. She made me a promise to offer herself to me on the night of my coronation. And that I must have.
You don't have to worry about Chisimdi. She's yours.
I know. But I really need to have her. I want to be the one to take away her virginity. I'm just so concerned.
I have told you, all you have to be worried about right now is what the chief priest said. Chisimdi is yours, so let that one be.
There you go, okay.
Okay.
I have no reason whatsoever to bother about what the chief priest said. Because I know I am going to be crowned. And that is a must. Why should I worry about the chief priest? They need to do the needful. If they don't do the needful, they will see the other side of me.
Any seed you sow, that you must reap. Any measure you give to others, you must receive.
Hey,
Ignorance
it's your man.
is good, man.
God has answered your prayers. I pleaded with Mazo Buefi here to come and marry you as his third wife, and he agreed. And he accepted. So Mazo Buefi, Nayan.
Ego, I hope you didn't forget what I told you. Since you said that what she's carrying is a male child,
Okay.
I will marry her. But if mistakenly result to be a female child, I will return it to you and collect back my money.
Can't you see?
Aqua agreement, animal. Aqua agreement, yeah.
Mazo, if you don't worry, Don't worry, Putabeba, I am assuring you with my full chest that she's carrying a male child. If rock order,
Ego, I understand what you are saying. Looking at this, you are in Kemjika. After I'm seeing male child. What prevents you from giving it to me? To marry.
You can't worry. Italaku.
Obuefi.
Italaku kokezedi. Emoma. Ijure so beba. It's not Mazo Obuefi or Mazo Obunyina. I don't care. If you like be Mazo Obuebu, I don't care. Mroke forever. Potaba.
Ego.
Sepu akai.
Eche. Omo kai na ako.
Ama kwam oluku ayakoba. Are you okay? Is that why you came? This is what we agreed on. Oya keep behind no. If you a drop sonjo, she's carrying a male child. Once you are pregnant for a male child, you'll be very ugly. But if it's a big female child, so you can look assess her very well. Assess her very well.
I understand what you are saying, but I'm still saying, looking at this one, I feel man about female walking.
Sepu anya.
Afi ime nwoke beva.
Obu nyinya, obu ebun. Sepu anya. Sepu. So what I can aside there. That is what we agreed on. I don't want problem. Biko, Biawokem, go in. Go and bring your back and follow Mazo Obuefi. Oh yeah.
Mama, I cannot marry him. He's too old to be my husband.
Who's too old?
Jensen.
Who said you have a say?
Come
your friend go inside.
Jensen.
I cannot marry him. I cannot marry him.
Take a
I cannot marry him.
marry you. I'll
Give
never
me go dowry now.
Dowry, you pay for dowry again.
How sure are you
I
that
said,
no one get one walking?
I said I am sure. Give me money. Give me money to follow you and go. Over the heck I ready.
This life is deeper than ocean. Nobody can predict tomorrow. Our destiny and different.
Good morning.
Welcome. How did you find me?
I brought this thing. You left it at my place. And I don't know why.
This was intentional. But please, sit.
Huh?
Sit.
No. I have to go. There's nobody in my shop.
Why? Why are you not comfortable?
There's nobody in my shop. Take.
Relax. Can you sit a bit at least?
There's nobody in my shop. Good morning, ma.
Who is he?
Ma?
Mother, come. Please meet Onyeka.
My name is Onyeka. I run a financial institution at the next village.
Relax. Calm down. His name is Onyeka. Do you remember the young man I told you saved me from some hoodlums a while back?
Oh, that is him?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma.
His name is Onyeka.
But why is he holding your...
This? Ma, that is why I came. She left it, she dropped it at my house. I came to return it.
Well, mother, this is nothing. He was just about to leave.
No. She dropped it at my place and I came to return it. And I don't know why she dropped it.
Anyway, I'll be in the kitchen.
It's okay, ma'am.
Make yourself comfortable, okay?
No, I'm going, ma. There's nobody in my shop.
Well, thank you for bringing this back. And one more thing. Please say me well to your sister. Okay, off you go.
You're a great guy. You are a friend.
Huh?
Yes. You saw me through it all. You saw me through my school. You were my backbone. And that's why I said, I will thank you for everything.
Amaka, hold on now. You don't need to thank me. Everything I did for you, I did it for myself. Because you are my wife. Listen, I'm just waiting for you to finish your youth service so that I can marry you. And once I marry you, I open a chemist shop for you close to my shop.
You see why you open a chemist shop beside your own. You see why you are saying you're not normal. So me now, after doing my service, you now just open a chemist shop.
You're supposed to be happy.
Why will I be happy? How? Why will I be happy?
Are you not a nurse?
Nurse what? And that's why you want to open a chemist shop here in the village for me. Listen.
Should I open a hospital? Okay, I'll open a hospital for you.
Listen, my darling, I am in a relationship.
With me now?
Not with you. I have a fiancé and we are planning to get married. Okay? I'm sorry I never loved you. Okay? I never loved you with my heart. I am just happy that you saw me through school, okay? And as a matter of fact, I am done with everything and I am leaving. In fact, I want you to list everything that you've spent. I know my man, he can balance.